Learning with LT Learning. And we have something really awesome planned for you today. We're at Coast Equipment Rentals in Vista, California. You know what that means? Yeah, that means we're at construction paradise. You're gonna see all things construction today, from excavators, skid steers, tractors, lifts, dump trucks, and more. Yeah, I'm so excited. Are you ready? Yeah. Oh wait, before we get started, always have to wear your safety gear. Yeah, like hard hats and vests, and sometimes your goggles. So let's magically put those on. Ah, woo! Check it out. Get out! This is so awesome! My hard hat to keep my head safe, this vest so that people could see me when I'm walking around the construction site, and I also have closed-toed shoes. Yeah, you can't see them right now, but check out how cool they are. They're my awesome boots. Yeah, and those are to keep my feet safe so I don't kick anything. Yeah, isn't that cool? So exciting. Well, now that we're all safe, and we have all of our safety equipment on, let's go explore! Let's ready, set, explore! Whoa! Look at the excavator! Hey, do you want to know why I was dancing so much? Because excavators are my favorite! Yeah! And this one's the biggest one on the whole yard! It's massive! It's huge! And check it out! That bucket's way up there! You got the arm up there, and you got the boom over here! You got the arm, and the bucket, and the boom! Arm, the bucket, and boom! Isn't that cool? Yeah, and down here, got the tracks, what I'm dancing on. Hey, I'm dancing on the tracks. You wanna know why they don't have wheels or tires? Because this excavator weighs like 30 tons. It's huge, it's so heavy, so if it had wheels and tires, it could get stuck in the mud and the dirt, and that's what the tracks are for. Come look at these tracks over here. Check it out. Whoa, there it is. Check it out. Those are the tracks. They're massive, right? Yeah! Do you want to know why I'm so excited? Because we get to go on a lift together. Yeah, that's so much fun. Do you see all those lifts behind us? You see how they're up really high? Well, we're going to go up really high, just like that. Come on, let's go. Yeah! Woo! Are you ready? Let's go! I'm going up so high! You see how high I am? Yeah! Isn't that so cool? Let's see if I can go any higher! Whoa! I'm so high! Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna come down now! Isn't that so fun? That was so high! That was so much fun going on a lift with you! Hey! Want to know what I'm sitting in right now? Yeah, I'm sitting in a skid steer. Isn't that cool? What do you think I'm standing in right now? That's right, it's a bucket. Oh, and check out this skid steer, it has tires. This one actually has tires. Some of them have tracks, and some of them have tires. It's got some dance moves! That's so silly! This is so cool! They're moving dirt into this truck! Check that out! It's so powerful! Yeah, that's used to compact the ground when it's all muddy. It helps to put little holes into the ground to make friction and tread other big vehicles. Whoa, that's so cool! Yeah! You remember that roller truck from before? Well, check it out. He's cleaning the blade right now. Whoa, that looks like a lot of work to maintain and keep these things clean for the next customer that comes and rents one. Isn't that cool? Check it out. That's so cool to keep things clean so that you're always making sure that you don't bring stuff from one side to the next. Oh, let's go check out some more stuff. Check it out! This is a big metal drum! And we're gonna get to crush it today! Yeah! He's gonna come down and crush it! And then lift it up and try to drop it! Whoa! That's awesome! That's so powerful! He lifted it up and he crushed it. Ah! And check it out. It's really big. It can do these kinds of things too. It's so cool. It's a lot of work. Not only do you have to maintenance everything, you have to make sure to keep it clean. It's really hard to clean all this equipment because it has a lot of oil on it too, and water repels oil. But they still gotta get all the dirt off the best they can. Whoa, do you see this behind me? Hey, what color is it? Yeah, that's right. It's blue and red. It's huge! It's so cool learning about all these pieces of equipment with you. Hey, I had so much fun checking out all these pieces of equipment, and I just wanted to remind you to always be a friend. Yeah, what does that mean? That means be kind, be compassionate, share your toys, and have a good time. Don't forget to smile because you never know whose day it could change. Thank you so much for joining us. You can always watch more of my videos by looking up LT Learning. Yeah, just type that in and then you can find more of my videos. Bye.